snowing. Oh my god, it's snowing. Oh my god, it's snowing on the playa. Can we go over there?
Hey, Shalco here. I'm out here with Phoenix.
Hi.
She's out here working as part of the Playa Restoration effort, disappearing Black Rock City. And we're out on the playa. It looks like a storm's headed our way. But we're not running for the shoreline because it seems to be snowing. Looks like Christmas came early this year, folks.
Everything looks white over there, right? Look
Should
at
we
the
go,
road and the playa.
You want to go see the snow?
Let's go drive over there, yeah?
Look at that.
God, it's snowing. Oh my god, it's snowing. Oh my god, it's snowing. Oh my god, it's snowing on the playa. Can we go over there?
I mean, isn't it coming to us?
But our friends are over there and we could celebrate being in the snow with our friends.
Okay. Take the camera.
Oh, oh my god.
Alright.
Okay, folks, it is officially snowing at the shoreline. Look at that. We're right at the edge of the storm. For the first time ever, I've been out here for... Maybe we don't want to drive in it. So we're right on the edge of the storm. It is officially snowing, hailing, raining on the playa. It's snowed out here. I've never seen snow out here.
I'm dreaming of a white burning man. It might be the hard snow. Wild Boy called off the work day. Phoenix wasn't sure that he made the right decision, but seems like it might have been the right call. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Totally could have driven through this. It would have been fine.
I'm glad we didn't drive over here.
Hail, you're just talking, I think you're talking about hard snow.
Hell yeah.
Snow! Oh, oh, snowball. Snowball, snowball. Phoenix. Boom!
What are you...
Hi, little dog.
Hi, Shalco. How are you doing?
You want to drink some bubbles? Oh, this looks like actual snow over here. This one's an actual snowball. What's that? Alright, we're gonna try and get out of here before this storm hits. No, see you, low dog.
I was able to get him a beer from his cooler and he didn't. That was fun. Well, I think it was a really good idea that they called off work today. Okay, could you imagine 3 school buses of people getting stuck out here in a snow, hail, rainstorm? Rainbow!
This seems much more compacted.
That's why we parked over there and walked in. And it's snowing over there too.
Alright, now to start my truck like a normal person. And we're ready for the next adventure. What do you guys think? Do you want more things to happen in each adventure, or would you prefer more shorter adventures? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, you know the deal. Like if you like it, obviously. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Unless, of course, I get stranded and die here. It's probably not gonna happen. We'll see. Subscribe to find out if I die.